Speaker, for the opportunity to ask the Minister for Roads and Highways the measures being put in place to resume construction works on the following roads which were abandoned since 2017. Mr. Speaker, they include Saboba Yendi, Saboba Cherponi, Ugando, Wapule, Sunsong roads. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Minister. Question 102.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Yendi Saboba Chiriponi Road is 103.4 kilometers long, classified as regional road known as R204. The road is made up of two sections: one, Yendi to Saboba, and two, Saboba to Chiriponi. Mr. Speaker, beginning with Yendi to Saboba, this road is 50.6 kilometers long. The road traverses towns and communities such as Yendi, Demon, Paba, Kunso, and Saboba in the Yendi and Saboba district of the Northern region. The bituminous portion of the road is in good condition, whilst the gravel portion of the road is in poor condition. Currently, Mr. Speaker, the road is under construction. The contract for the upgrading of Yendi to Saboba from kilometer 10 to kilometer 50.6, that is 40.6 kilometers, commenced on 19th November 2015 and was originally scheduled for completion on 20th November 2018. Progress of work, Mr. Speaker, is estimated at 51.4% fiscal completion. The contractor suspended work in March 2018 due to delayed payment. The contractor returned to site after several warnings, but his presence on site has been erratic with slow work rate. Currently, Mr. Speaker, the contractor is not on site, and again, warning letters have been issued to him to return to site. If the contractor fails to respond by end of August 2021, the necessary steps will be taken to terminate the contract for non-performance. However, the future program is that, Mr. Speaker, upon termination of the contract, the outstanding works will be repackaged for consideration in the 2022 budget for re-award to complete the project. 2. Saboba to Chiriponi Road. This road is 47 kilometers long. The road connects Saboba to Chiriponi on the National Road N14, which continues to Yaugu at the Ghana-Togo boundary. The road is gravel surface and in poor condition. Currently, Mr. Speaker, the road is under construction. The contract for the rehabilitation of this road, covering 47 kilometers, commenced on 25th January 2016 and was originally scheduled for completion on 25th January 2018. Progress of work is estimated at 55% fiscal completion. The contractor suspended works in September 2017 due to delayed payment. Several warning letters have been issued to the contractor to resume work, but all have proved futile. Notice of termination letters have been issued to the contractor, and if he fails to respond, the contract will be terminated for non-performance by end of August 2021. The future program, Mr. Speaker, is that upon termination of the contract, the outstanding works would be repackaged for consideration in the 2022 budget for re-award. 3, Ukando to Wapuri to Sunsun Road. Mr. Speaker, this road forms part of the Sakwebu-Chireponi-Yaugu Road measuring 100 kilometers, which is a national road N14. The road is gravel surfaced and the condition is fair to poor. Currently, Mr. Speaker, the entire road is under construction and is packaged into 2 contract lots as follows. Lot 1 is the upgrading of Sakwebu to Chireponi Road measuring 50 kilometers. This project commenced on 16 August 2016 and was originally scheduled for completion on 15 August 2019. Work progress is estimated at 17% physical completion. The contractor suspended works due to delayed payment and the progress of work has been erratic. The contractor resumed work in the latter part of 2020 and work is progressing steadily. Mr. Speaker, the original completion date has expired and this is being reviewed for extension of time for completion by end December 2021. Lot 2, involving upgrading of Sakwebu to Chireponi, also measuring 50 kilometers from kilometer 50 to kilometer 100. Mr. Speaker, the project commenced on 24th November 2016 and was originally scheduled for completion on 23rd November 2019. Work progress is estimated at 34% physical completion. The contractor suspended works due to delayed payment and the progress of work has been erratic. The contractor resumed work in the latter part of 2020 and work is progressing at a satisfactory rate. Mr. Speaker, the original completion date has expired and this is being reviewed for extension of time for completion by end of December 2021. The future program on this road is that, Mr. Speaker, the 2 contracts are being monitored closely and any further delay on the part of the contractors will not be countenanced and the necessary steps will be taken to terminate the contract for non-performance. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.